So before we start, I'll just say a few words because my mom's home is down here. Some of the most famous houses in Goa are on this street. This is part of Amboitsa Wado, so you've got Cosme Mathais Bonderam's house is here. We've got Professor Armando Menezes' house here. And further down, we've got some houses known as Sotrekar's house. We have the Bernadette's house. We have some of the most famous houses, and I tell people this street is probably one of the richest streets in India. Because some of the biggest businesses are from this street. So this street now, so this Amboy, and in Amboy we have Natty, Shirley, and they worked really hard overnight to revive one of the oldest dishes in Goa. Guess what is the name of this dish? Lattod. Give away the secret, yeah.
Lattod is a Goan sweet dish prepared using rice, coconut and jaggery, and its special method of preparation in which they use one heat from the top and the bottom to make such a unique delicacy. So in this vado, we are honored to talk to Mr. Alden Menezes. Mr. Alden Menezes has been the president of the St. Mathais Club and is the current moderator of the church. Mr. Alden, how many years have you been participating in Bonderam, and how do you think it has evolved over time?
In fact, more or less I am participating last 40 years, and the same tradition which we are again started by Mathais has been followed that time also with brass band, flags. We had a pair of African dancers, one lady, one gent, and all the villages, and it was very, very traditional, covering all the boundaries. We had a very important instrument called patas. Teflon was used like bullets, and it was fun hitting the friends, relatives, and normally relative friends used to come to stay overnight, and 2 days was a great you can say enthusiasm and great energy. I would congratulate the organizing committee for last 40 years of St. Mathais Sports Club. The club was founded in 1967, and I think it was one of the oldest clubs serving now. And all the committee members, they worked hard to bring this Bonderam to this stage. The organizing, the publicity was the main, the talent wherein the Bonderam had come to this stage where not our village but Goa and internationally as well, people support and people watch this festival. So I once again say Viva Bonderam, Viva St. Mathais Sports Club, and all the best to the managing committee. Presently we have all ladies committee, so it's a great pleasure to have ladies working, overtaking the men. So cheers to all the ladies, especially the President Effie Di Mello and Secretary Banade Razaveto. Thank you.
What do you call this? Lattod. Lattod. It's rice. I'll share.
Just tell me your name, no?
My name is Mr. Malkawat, ex-president of St. Mathais Sports Club. Okay?
Yeah.